everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'll be doing a beautiful set of purple camo nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with this McCart gel polish in the color Crystal Violet. And this is one of their colors from the Jelly Kit collection. As you guys know, last week I did a review on them, and this is the purple from it. So they're actually like the jelly polishes, but as you can see, we have the natural nail tips, so you can't really see through it, but that's what she wanted. Up next, we have the Madam Glam gel polish in the color Girl Power, which is a really pretty purple color. And again, all of these will be gel polishes. And to clean around the cuticle area, I am using a gel brush by OPI, but you can use any small brush that you have. And for the ring finger, I'm using Madam Glam gel polish in the color Popsicle. Alrighty, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other hand. Again, this is in the color Crystal Violet by McCart, and I will leave the link in the description. And then I'm also going to be using the Madam Glam gel polishes, which will be in the color Girl Power and Popsicle. And those are gel polishes again, and I do have a promo code for them, so I'll leave that down in the description. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go back and do a second coat of each color. Again, whenever you do the gel polishes, the jelly polishes, you want to make sure that you do the clear tips underneath. But she already had this set on, so we just went ahead and did it over the natural nail tips that she already had on. And again, she was okay with it, so that's all that matters. And then this is the finger that I accidentally skipped over the first time, so I'm gonna go back and polish it with the color Girl Power. Alrighty, so we did 2 coats on each hand and curing both coats for 30 seconds each. So now I'm going to go in and do the camo. So as you can see, I'm going to be using different color purples. So this purple is a little bit darker, and we're just going to do like 3 spots. Again, I always try to do like 3 spots of each color. That way it's pretty even, and then at the end I can go back and add some more if I need to. But as you can see, whenever I'm doing this, I literally just wiggle my brush around. They don't have to be perfect lines, just make different spots going from, one side of the nail to the other and then switching it up, to where they kind of meet in the middle. But again, I'm using two different purples, which is the one by Madam Glam in the color Girl Power. The darker purple is actually by Elite 99. I'm using a black one and then a white one also by Madam Glam in the color Perfect White. Alrighty, so I'm going to let that one cure for about 60 seconds just because whenever I'm doing this, the polish is a little bit thicker, which is why I use gel polish so it can cure and I don't have to worry about waiting for it to dry. But we're going to go ahead and draw the spots. Again, they don't have to be straight lines. As you can see, whenever I'm doing them, I wiggle my brush around. That way they look a little bit, curvy. And then I just alternate between the different colors. I do really like 3 spots of each color. And again, at the end, and if I need to add some more, of one color, then I go back and do it at the end. But just alternate between the colors and just wiggling your brush around and just draw spots all over the nail. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and let this one cure as well for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with my Mia Secret Gel Resin, my SS6, SS12, and my wax pencil to apply some bling. And then I'm also applying some of the bigger pieces. But as always, just apply your glue wherever you want your rhinestones. Apply your rhinestones with the wax pencil and then just come back and spray them with the activator. And also, something that I wanted to mention about the camo was that I've been doing quite a few different camo looks with different colors. And it's all the same process. You just, draw the lines on there or the spots, whatever you want to call them. You just draw them on there and that's it. I do recommend that you use gel polish for this because, they kind of do go on a little thick. And you don't want to wait for the regular polish to dry. So you can go ahead and use gel polish and let them cure. But as far as like different colors, you choose whatever color you want. Just make sure that you choose different tones of it. Like if you do orange, you should have like a dark orange, a lighter orange, one that's like kind of in the middle. Same thing for any color that you decide to use, but it's all the same process as I did here in this video. Alrighty, so we went ahead and did the pinky as well. Here you see me spraying the nails with the activator. And as always, this spray basically freezes the glue into place. Since it is a gel resin, it means that it's a little bit thicker and it's going to take a little bit longer to dry. And with the activator, it instantly dries that glue. So we can go ahead and apply a top coat right after that. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and do the matte top coat on the purple nails and the nail with the camo. And then the other ones would just be a regular top coat. And for those, I'll be using my IBD gel top coat. So same thing for the other hand. We're going to be applying the bling on the nails with the jelly polish, which will be the 2 lighter purple nails. We just apply the glue wherever we want the bling. And then we pick up the bling with the wax pencil and just apply it on the nail. After that, we just spray the nail with the activator. And then we go back and do a top coat. Really simple and really pretty as well. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go back and do the top coat on this one as well. Again, we're doing a matte top coat on the purple nails and the camo nails, which is my Elite 99 matte top coat. And then for my other ones, I'm just using my IBD gel top coat, which is the one that I always use. Alrighty, y'all, so we let them cured, and this is the final look. They turned out so pretty. The different purples went perfect together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.